What's up, big dreamers? Katie Reines, your plant-based registered dietitian, is in the house. I totally get it. I don't know how to go grocery shopping. I don't know, I'm super overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start. I am super excited. Today, we're diving on in, breaking it down, making it so easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy, delicious green smoothie, a lentil, quinoa, or rice bowl with a lemon tahini dressing, as well as for dinners we have pasta with marinara, beans and mushrooms, and a really delicious easy plant-based macaroni and cheese. This also comes with a couple of snack options and lots of options. I have all of the nutrition information attached to this meal plan. I break it down, also a meal prep guide, so that you can go home and easily prep this yourself. If you're on the go, really just want to have your meals on lock, let's get to it. We got this. The amount of money that you spend on this meal plan can vary a lot, from $50 to even $100, depending on where you shop and how much bulk food you already have at home. First, we're going to want to soak 1.5 cups of dry lentils in about 4 cups of water. And then let's rinse off all of our potatoes and boil some water to boil them. Spread 1 tablespoon of tahini, almond butter, or peanut butter for a great snack on the go. Measure out 8.5 cups of water. Quinoa, it may be a little bit more expensive. However, it's super high in protein and iron for a grain. I just happen to have garlic and ginger on me. You don't have to add those things, but whatever spices you like or that are in your cabinet, maybe like some cumin. So if you can afford quinoa, definitely go with quinoa, but if quinoa is too expensive for you, brown rice is a wonderful, wonderful option. I'm gonna do a quick little taste test, just the lentils and quinoa just as it is. It's so good. So simple. Really, really good. If you're looking to save money, buy a bunch of greens and wash it yourself. If you're looking to save time, it might be a little bit more expensive, but buy a bag of pre-washed greens and make it easier for yourself. You don't have to use water if you want to use almond milk or your favorite plant-based milk. Ooh, absolutely perfect. Cheers. So good. Smoothie in my belly. Smoothie in my belly. If you ever feel like you need to cry, no, that's okay. You can definitely cry, especially when you're chopping onions. I get really emotional. Ingredients that we're using in this meal plan that you may or may not be familiar with. One is tahini. Separation is totally normal, you just have to stir it. Tahini is ground sesame. This is also a wonderful option for anybody who's allergic to nuts. Instead of buying a bunch of lemons and squeezing them myself, I like to buy lemon juice. And this organic lemon juice, there's only 1 ingredient, lemons, and if this is too expensive, you can definitely get orange juice instead. The most important thing I'm looking for here in my lemon tahini dressing, or orange tahini dressing if you're using orange juice, is vitamin C. In order to absorb our iron from plant-based sources like lentils and spinach, it's pretty important to combine our lentils and our spinach and our plant-based meals with a source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential to be used as a cofactor to transform our non-heme iron from plants into heme iron. Here I have a kelp shaker. You can use dulse granules. Iodine is essential. When you're prepping this, don't forget to set aside some carrot and some onion for your macaroni and cheese.
It's so good. Really satisfying, like super grounding and nourishing, and like I love the different textures with the seeds or nuts. Maybe if you want to add some more texture, a little bit of raisins on top or something. Perfection. Amazing. Perfect. You're gonna love it.
I love bean pastas, an incredible source of iron, protein, and fiber. Nutritional yeast is an item that you might say, like, what the heck is nutritional yeast? Nutritional yeast is actually in pretty much every grocery store in the spices aisle. It gives things a really nice cheesy flavor and is a great way to fortify your food with a little bit of B12. Feel free to substitute your favorite gluten-free spaghetti option. When choosing jarred or canned items, I like to look at the sodium content because sodium salt is used as a preservative and there can be a lot of excess sodium in these things. So when I'm looking at what marinara to buy, if it's at least less or about equal to 300 milligrams of sodium. If it's less than 300 milligrams of sodium, it's pretty low in sodium. Thank you so much for watching. Today you learned how to prep an entire meal plan for the whole week. If you got anything out of this video that you think you can incorporate or try in your own life, comment down below. I'd love to hear your comments, suggestions, what you liked. And please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit me up on Instagram at vitamin.katie, K-A-T-I-E. Let me know if you need any help with anything, if you'd like your own personalized meal plan. Click the link down below and yeah, hit me up. I'd really love to help you however I can. And don't forget, the most important ingredients are fun and love. As cheesy as that is, seriously, like, so essential to have fun with it. Who's jamming out, dancing in the kitchen? I don't know about you. I am. Let's go. We got this. Much love. Bye. Smoothie in my belly.